The mutual fund disclose the information to total expense ratio charged to a mutual fund scheme, and where is the published क्या day on the mutual fund website, क्या weekly on the mutual fund website, and once a month of the mutual fund क्या mutual fund fact sheet once तो इसका आंसर होगा डेली ऑन द म्यूचुअल फंड वेबसाइट, डेली ऑन द म्यूचुअल फंड वीकली, डेली। तो इसमें जो पूछा गया जो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन है, हाउ ऑफ्टन डज अ म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्क्लोज द इंफॉर्मेशन टू टोटल एक्सपेंस रेशियो एंड चार्ज द म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम इन वेयर इज़ द पब्लिक, कि जो म्यूचुअल फंड का जो चार्ज डिस्क्लोज होता है, इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, एक्सपेंसिस होता है, वो कहाँ पे पब्लिश होता है, कहाँ होता है, तो डेली बेसिस पे होता है। तो बेसिकली क्या होता है, How often the mutual fund disclose the information total expenses ratio and charge in mutual fund scheme, and where is the क्या SEBI has a mandatory the asset management company should prominently disclose the daily basis to expense ratio scheme vibes data wise of all scheme under a separate head टोटल एक्सपेंस रेशो म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम ऑन द वेबसाइट। तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जो सेबी होती है ना, सेबी उसका एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी को एक प्रोमिनेंट करती है, प्रोमिनेंट मतलब ज़रूरी प्रावधान करती है, डिस्क्लोज द डेली बेसिस, वो अपने डेली बेसिस पे चार्ट पर एक्सपेंसेस पे रेशो को क्या स्कीम वाइज डाटा वाइज स्कीम एंड अंडर सेपरेट द हेड करे, which of the first step that the mutual fund distributor should take a building a mutual fund portfolio for has investor, मतलब which is the first step that a mutual fund distributor should take a building a mutual fund portfolio for has investor, yeah, he should list the best performance fund of the investor to select, he should set a financial goal of the investor, he should invest amount in liquid fund and set a systematic transfer plan in the good equity fund, he should list good equity fund with the lowest expensive ratio for the investor to select। तो मतलब the which of the step the mutual fund distributor should take the building and mutual fund portfolio for his investor, he should be best performance and he should set a financial goal of the investor, which of this step the mutual fund distributor should be take a building a mutual fund portfolio has invested, he should set the financial goal of the investor, the selection of mutual fund scheme for an investor will depend upon the selection of a mutual fund scheme for an investor will depend upon the need that the investor has from the investment। The objective could be a financial goal like reaching a certain level of wealth and specific period of time, or could be a founding a major expenses related to an important life event like education of one is children, or founding a one of retirement, the sign of the goal mutual never be a missed, mutual goal the mutual never be a missed। An investor chosen a mutual fund scheme based on where where here has the that the scheme matches with that the scheme. An investor choose a mutual fund scheme based on where has and her matches with that the scheme. इन्वेस्टमेंट पीरियड, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव, इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रेटजी. तो बेसिकली इसका आंसर होगा इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव. या एन इन्वेस्टर चूज अ म्यूचुअल फंड एंड बेस्ड ऑन वेदर हैज एन म्यूचुअल फंड इज अ स्कीम टू द इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव. एवरी स्कीम हैज अ प्री अनाउंस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव. इन्वेस्टर इन्वेस्ट इन द म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम who invested objective reflects their own needs and performance. The primary objective of various scheme stem from the base need of an investor visa safety, liquidity and returns. In which documents is commentary. In which document is a commentary on the current stage of economics and market is also generally provided. Statement of additional information SAI key information memorandum CAM fund feed sheet and scheme of information documents. तो इसका होगा फंड फैक्ट शीट क्या इन विच डॉक्यूमेंट्स कमेंट्री ऑन द करेंटली ऑफ स्टेज एंड इकोनॉमिक्स एंड मिस्टेक इज ऑल्सो जनरली प्रोवाइड. इट इज़ प्रोवाइड द FFC क्या फंड फैक्ट शीट क्या apart from providing information about the scheme in the fund fact sheet, AMC may also provided periodic update markets and the economics. The fact sheet is also used by the fund manager to communication their view on the economics and the markets to the investor. The security transaction tax levied on the pre-purchase of unit and debit mutual fund. The security transaction transaction tax levied on the pre-purchase unit debit mutual fund. STT क्या होती है? STT is not applicable. जो आपका जो टैक्स levied on the रीपरचेज ऑफ यूनिट डेबिट म्यूचुअल फंड. जो डेबिट म्यूचुअल फंड होता है उसका टैक्स लिवाइंड ऑन द रीपरचेज, मतलब जो टैक्स लिवाइंड ऑन द रीपरचेज यूनिट डेबिट म्यूचुअल फंड. तो इसका होता है STT इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल. STT इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू ट्रांजेक्शन इन डेबिट सिक्योरिटी एंड डेबिट म्यूचुअल फंड where the investor sells unit in equity fund and stock exchange often offer than the purchase the fund, and he will be has a insecure security transaction. Incur security transaction STT, and STT is applicable only the redemption switch to other scheme and sales of unit of equity and oriented mutual fund whether sold on stock exchange or otherwise. STT is not applicable on purchase of unit and equity scheme. Which type of hybrid fund has least exposure to equity? इसका आंसर है कंजर्वेटिव हाइब्रिड फंड. विच ऑफ द हाइब्रिड फंड द लीस्ट एक्सपोज मतलब जो सबसे कम इक्विटी को एक्सपोज करता है. एग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड फंड में ज़्यादा होती है. बैलेंस हाइब्रिड फंड एंड आर्बिट्रेज हाइब्रिड फंड एंड कंजर्वेटिव हाइब्रिड फंड. कंजर्वेटिव हाइब्रिड फंड एंड हाइब्रिड फंड इज classified into the aggressive balance and conservative depending on the equity exposure depending on the equity exposure to find the conservative hybrid fund is open ended conservative hybrid fund is open ended hybrid scheme invested and predominantly in debate instrument investment in debate instruments shall be between 75% and 90% to total asset, while the investment in equity instrument shall be between 10% to 25% total asset. बैलेंस हाइब्रिड फंड कंजर्वेटिव फंड्स में होते हैं 75 to 90%. जो कंजर्वेटिव फंड्स होते हैं वो 75 to 90% एसिड्स होते हैं. उनमें जो बैलेंस फंड होते हैं द ओपन एंडेड बैलेंस फंड स्कीम इन्वेस्टेड इन इक्विटी एंड डेबिट इंस्ट्रूमेंट द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन इक्विटी रिलेटेड टू इंस्ट्रूमेंट शैल बी between 40% to 60% to total asset, while इन्वेस्टमेंट टू डेबिट इंस्ट्रूमेंट शैल बी between 40% to 60%. एग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड फंड एग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड फंड एंड ओपन एंडेड हाइब्रिड स्कीम इन्वेस्टेड predominantly equity investment and investment to equity instrument shall be between 75% to 80% to total assets, while instrument in debit instrument shall be between the 20% to 35% to total assets. जो एग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड फंड होते हैं उसमें जो होता है कि 20% एंड 75% टोटल एसिड होते हैं, 65% 80% टोटल एसिड इन्वेस्टमेंट. इसमें सारे जो एग्रेसिव हाइब्रिड फंड होते हैं ये सारे होते हैं. जो कंजर्वेटिव हाइब्रिड फंड होते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा उसमें क्या लीस्ट जो कंजर्वेटिव जो हाइब्रिड फंड्स है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कम वो होती है. तो ये है. फिर सातवां क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस इन द ट्रांजेक्शन चार्ज टू बी पेड इन द म्यूचुअल फंड एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द ग्रॉस इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इन्वेस्टर. Which of the following case in the transaction charge to be paid to mutual fund distributor deducted to the gross investment in investor? When the investor purchase mutual fund unit worth is 5,000 through a mutual fund distributor, when the mutual fund purchase when the investor purchasing mutual fund unit worth 10,000 through a mutual fund distributor, when a investor purchase mutual fund unit in 5,000 and website on mutual fund, when the investor mutual fund unit worth is 10,000, the website on the mutual fund, the website on the mutual fund, the website on the distributor, the best जो पहले 5,000 वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का था जिसमें 10,000 रुपये और वो वेबसाइट से लेता है तो उसमें उसका चार्जेस होते हैं. म्यूचुअल फंड ट्रांजेक्शन चार्ज एंड पेड चार्जेस होते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस इन ट्रांजेक्शन चार्ज विद पेड? तो है व्हेन द इन्वेस्टर परचेज म्यूचुअल फंड द वर्थ इज 10,000 थ्रू अ म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इज करेक्ट आंसर. When the purchase mutual fund unit in 10,000 to mutual fund distributor to cart to open a shell to cart to people with shell saving potential and increasing research of mutual fund products in urban area so similar town SEBI has allowed a transaction charges per subscription is 10,000 and above to paid distributor to mutual fund product, and however the small b on the transaction charge in directly investment. संदेश संदेश इन्वेस्टर के ₹75 लाख in gilt fund and gave the local checks 3:30 p.m. What will be the applicable NAV for allotment unit? The NAV the correct answer, the NAV the business day which is the fund is available of the utilization. NAV business day and for the fund of the utilization. उसने गिल्ड फंड में गिव द लोकल चेक में तो उसने चेक दिया, बट वो चेक उसमें नहीं हुआ, वो जो होता है उसमें यूटिलाइजेशन होता है, मतलब फंड आर अवेलेबल फ्रॉम यूटिलाइजेशन. NAV the business day on which the fund are available of utilizations. NAV the business day, NAV of the business day on which of the fund are available to utilization. VD सेवी सर्कल डेटेड सितंबर 2020 से भी सर्कुलर डेटेड 17 सितंबर 2020 एंड इट वाज डिसाइडेड टू दैट द रिस्पेक्ट टू परचेज म्यूचुअल फंड MF scheme is both a debit and equity, expect liquidity and overnight scheme. Closing NAV of daily small and applicable on which the fund are available the utilization irrespective of the size of time of respect and application. In the mutual fund application from indirect and mention in the space provide ARN and the choose of regular plan and indicator the application will be considered. The answer is direct plan and application. तो देन हम कहते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड एप्लीकेशन फॉर इनडायरेक्ट इन्वेंशन स्पेसिफिक provided of ARN and the choice of regular plan है. तो इसमें होता है कि इन म्यूचुअल फंड एप्लीकेशन फॉर इन डायरेक्ट इन्वेंशन इन स्पेस provided of ARN and the choose of regular plan is indicate, then the application will be considered in direct plan. Investor have the option in invest, purchase and subscribe a mutual fund unit direct without routing the investment through the distribution direct plan. And in the case an investor must mention direct in space provide the application from entering an AMF registration of RNR. A person who want to retain liquidity in investment a person who want to retain liquidity in has investment will invest in LS scheme, fixed deposit scheme and liquid fund. So this is a liquid fund. A person who want to retain liquidity in has investment and will be invest this liquidity fund. LS स्कीम कौन सी होती है, फिक्स्ड स्कीम जो होती है, PPFS स्कीम कौन सी होती है, रिवॉल्यू स्कीम कौन सी होती है. तो ये यू शुड नो अबाउट द इक्विटी लिंक सेविंग स्कीम. इक्विटी लिंक मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. A person who want to liquid should be invest in liquidity fund as they can be redeemed very fast. Equity link saving scheme fund has a lock in period and 3-year equity. ELSS equity link saving plan has a locking 3-year fixed deposit in public provident fund. PPF is cannot be easily in cash and before maturity. Fixed deposit and public provident fund is cannot be as a PPF मतलब provident public provident fund cannot be a As per SEBI rules, commission cannot be paid to broker, to exchange, banks, and sponsor, to distributor, investor, banks. As per the SEBI rule, commission cannot be paid to the investor. Okay, as per the SEBI rules, a mutual fund distributor has to sign to declaration mention and undertaking not to be a rebate commission back to investor or attract investor through a temptation rebate gift and pass back to the commission etc. क्या as per the SEBI rules commission cannot be paid. क्या as per the SEBI rules commission as per the SEBI rules mutual fund distribution has to sign a declaration mention and undertaking not to be a rebate commission and back to investor or attract investor through the attemption and debates and gifts क्या form the basic of apartment of a distribution by AMC. From the basic of apartment and distribution by AMC is an agreement between the AMC and distributor. After obtaining ARN, the distribution can be employed and any of the member of AMC. Definitely true statement. The mention in beneficial owner of the mutual fund unit nomination does not create any little or beneficial interest in the unit in favor of the mention after the death of the unit holder. Identify the true statement. The nominee is beneficial owner of the mutual fund units. Nomination does not create any little or beneficial interest in unit in favor of the nominee after a death of a unit holder. B is the nomination cannot be little with nomination is only authorized the mutual fund is transfer units. The nomination will demise of the unit holder. The nomination hold in unit it does not be a create and little beneficial interest in the unit of favorite of the nomination after the death of unit holder and investor. The next question is the nomination is only the authorization of the mutual fund in transfer of the unit and the nominee in the event of demises of a unit holder and nominee hold in the unit and trust in a legal hire in investor it does not create any little of beneficial investor. मम्मी वीडियो बना रही. Nominee in only the authorizer the nominee hold and create any little beneficial interest in unit in favor of the nominee after the death of unit holder investor. मेरी वीडियो बना रही है. The decision OPT out of the transaction charge can be taken the distributor at the each individual client travel depending on the relationship with the client and state of true. False. A decision of OPT out of transaction charges can be taken by option at each individual client level depending on the distributor have the option to distribution have the option of opting out of charge and transaction charge, but such opting opting out shall be applicable on only the distributor level. This means that the distributor cannot be choose to charge transaction and charge from the one investor and not from other. Okay, if there is branch, if there is a branch of code of conduct by intermediary and second violations by intermediary, and provide them the registration of intermediary is cancelled. In the event of branch of code of conduct by intermediately, the following the sequence of step by initiated by AMFI right to the immediately, and the ask for an ask for the example explanation within a 3 month in case, and explain or not receiving the 3 weeks and not a satisfactory, AM will be ensure the warning and indicator the subsequent voluntary result of cancellation of AMF registration. If there is a provide second violations by the intermediately, the registration will be cancelled by intimations sent the all AMC. Which of the following statement is true respect to mark a security portfolio? Mark to mark security portfolio validates current market. Security portfolio is valid at 20 high, security portfolio 20 low, and security portfolio valid the purchase price. The security portfolio valid the current price. The following the statements market to market क्या होता है? Is current market to market क्या the process of valuing in each security investment portfolio is scheme to current market is value of the called mark to mark. The mark to mark is the valuation done by the daily basis calculation NAV. Which documents has the statutory information about the mutual fund AMC that the offering of scheme के statement additional information SAI has statutory information about the mutual fund AMC that is the offering of scheme, and therefore a signal SA is relative to all scheme and offering in a mutual fund. Scheme information documents has default of the particular scheme. The implement of mutual fund is distributor by the assistant management company can be terminated any time by the AMC. The implement of mutual fund distribution asset management company is terminated by any time for AMC. The AMC has the power to terminate the implement the information of the terminate. Which of the statement is true respect to TDS in case capital of gain mutual fund unit? The answer is TD. TD is not applicable. TD is not applicable capital gain for resident individual, but is applicable for non-residential NRI non-residential. TD is not applicable on capital gain for residents individual, but application on non-residential NRI. There is a TDS on repurchases product and resigned an investor. However, for certain case of non-residential investment, the same is applicable. TD is required to be deducted at the 10% of the dividend amount is 5,000 rupees. टीडी, अच्छा तो इसका जो क्वेश्चन था वो टीडी इन केस कैपिटल एंड गेन इन अ म्यूचुअल फंड, टीडी किस पे कटता है? म्यूचुअल फंड पे। तो इसमें है कि 5000 से ऊपर ऊपर पे कटता है वो टीडी। Which of the following funds are NSE is Mabor be used a benchmark? Mabor is used a benchmark is the okay liquid fund. Okay, which of the following fund is NSE Mabor? और क्या होता है? मुंबई इंटर्न बैंक ऑफर रेट इज बेस्ड ऑन शॉर्ट टर्म एंड मनी मार्केट एंड लिक्विड स्कीम इन्वेस्ट इन सिक्योरिटी के लिक्विड स्कीम इन्वेस्ट इन सिक्योरिटी ऑफ अप टू 90 डे एंड maturity. Therefore, a short-term money market benchmark such as NSE is Mabor or is suitable. Mabor is suitable. The Mabor is benchmark the liquid fund. Liquid fund में होता है कि मुंबई इंटरनल बैंक एंड ऑफरिंग रेट इन द मेबोर एंड 90 डे की मेच्योरिटी होती है, सारी चीज़ें होती है एंड द टर्म ऑफ मार्केट इन बेंचमार्क सच होती है। क्या एट व्हाट प्राइस कैन इन्वेस्टर बाय सेल और यूनिट एन ओपन एंडेड फंड एंड न्यू फंड? द NAV इन म्यूचुअल फंड, द NAV द फेस वैल्यू, द मंथली एवरेज प्राइस। क्या at what price can investor buy and sell unit and open ended fund after a new fund offer? The NAV is fund the NAV new fund again investors open ended fund is identify the true statement which respect the scheme and portfolio performance. Disclose the idea related the fund performance of the mutual fund available the AMC website and say SEBI has mandatory disclose of the performance data by the AMC. क्या the true is A or B is true? AMFI website www.amfi indian काम क्या carry the performance data of all the mutual fund schemes. क्या SEBI has mandatory disclosure? SEBI has a mandatory disclosure of performance data by all the asset management company AMC. The disclosure can be assessed through the certain scheme documents and website for the fund. क्या a synopsis of scheme related information documents is found in the key information memorandum. Key information क्या a synopsis of the scheme related information documents is found the key information memorandum. Key information the memorandum. The scheme of information SDI the statement of the additional SDI मतलब scheme of documents scheme information documents and statement additional information contain the details of particularly scheme the statutory information about the mutual fund AMC that is offering the scheme. The key information memorandum scheme is essentially a summary of SID and SAI. It contains the key point of these documents that are essentially of the essentially investor now to market and decision the suitability investment and needs, and it is the more easily and widely distributed in the market as per the SEBI regulation, and every application from to be accompanied by the scheme. What is the time duration in which SEBI has to approved the scheme related documents? What is the time of the SEBI approved the scheme? SEBI does not approve the documents, is they give the observations. SEBI कभी भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स अप्रूव नहीं करती, वो सिर्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन देती है. वट डज फाइनेंशियल गोल सेटिंग इन्वॉल्व? क्या इन्वॉल्व? डिटर्मिनेशन रिस्क, excitement the amount required for the major life events. The first step in financial goal setting in the identify events in which of the life will the major in finding in like a child education, marriage and retirement etc. क्या asset allocation, risk profiling are looking into later while deciding the investment. What does financial goal setting involve? What does the sign estimate amount required for the major life event? Estimate the amount required for major life events. The first step in financial goal setting is setting to be identify events in life which required major finding in like a child education, marriage and retirement etc. क्या asset allocation risk profile looks into later and while deciding to the investment. क्या if one want to know the journal risk factor, then which documents should be read? The documents if you want to know general risk factor and which document should be read, the key information documents, scheme information documents, key information documents, key information memorandum, scheme information documents. The risk in scheme is listed the segment of risk factor of the section, subsection A, section and subsection A of the scheme of information documentary SID. The section included standard general risk factor that the effect in the all mutual fund in case of the securitized asset will not be an originator to be a special purpose vehicle, SVP के special purpose vehicle क्या housing RBI. In case of security asset, RBI is not be a original of the special securitizations transaction involve sale receivable by the organizer and the commercial bank, non-banking and financial company, and housing and finance company, and manufacturing service company, a special purpose vehicle SPV, and typical set of the from the trust and investor are issued related pass through certification PTC and processed with which are paid of consideration to the organization in this manner. The organized by the selling and has loan receivable to the SPV receive consideration from investor much before the maturity in the understand. Which of these passive fund, gold fund, gilt fund, the gold mining company fund, gold exchange trading fund? But what is the passive fund? Is only C, gold exchange trading fund. What the gold exchange trading fund was a passive fund and invested on the base of a specific index and passive funds invest in the passive fund invest on the basis of a specific index, and those whose performance in the seeks to track for Nifty index fund. Exchange trade fund trade on exchange are also passive fund that the generated returns in line with the trade of benchmark. For the above option only gold exchange trade fund is passive. क्या aggressive investor will prefer lower risk and well settle for a lower return. क्या conservative for a conservative investor is someone who wants has money to grow but does not want to risk principal. Investment conservative investment choose financial product that do not fluctuate much in value, such as a conservative mutual fund. What is dividend to pay? NAV unit raise fall. NAV unit is raise fall. But when a dividend pay, the NAV unit is a fall. In dividend payout option, the fund declaration dividend in time to time. When the dividend is pay, NAV unit is a fall, extended fall. Identify which statement is true. Investor cannot be hold the unit in mutual fund. Factor 1. Can investor hold the unit in mutual fund? Factor unit 1. Investor can hold the unit mutual fund market lost in 50 units and 100 units. So answer is like that. The investor will hold the mutual fund unit. Factor is unit 1. Investor can hold unit in mutual fund in factor 1. For example, investor holding a 665 unit in a dividend and reinvested scheme for a mutual fund, and on announcement the dividend was conservative into unit and could result in say additional 20.5 unit. Those has total holding will become a passive plus 20 217, which is the fraction. Identify the true statement, repeat and benchmark as factor. It is an idea to benchmark in the sector of against an index representing in the previous sector, and it is advisably benchmark sector and find against investor. So the thing is that identify it is a advisable benchmarking the sector fund against the diversification fund and correct. So only a sector fund would invest only the connected sector. So the benchmark has to be a similar index for edge and banking and sector fund, and can be a benchmark and against the S&P BSE BankX and appointed structure. Identify the true statement which respect the stamping and application for non-financial transaction of fund, time spending and limited time stamping related data. Which of the investor need to be a PAN and card in the making the mutual fund investor who is the investor in 50,000 in the mutual fund existing SIP, and as per the investor who is a investing in 50,000 in the mutual fund and scheme and including